If you own an Apple Watch, you already know Apple's original bands are crazy expensive. 5,000 to rupees 10,000 just for one band? Yeah, no thanks. So today I am checking out the latest Apple Watch bands from Fridaystyle, and honestly, this time the quality feels super premium for the price. Like always, I have been using this for a few months now, so I can give you a proper hands-on and long-term review. We'll be looking at Adventure Sport Deployment Clasp, Classic Bolt Deployment Clasp, Explorer S Hook, Ocean Band with black hardware, and the new Solo Loop. So let's start. Hi there, I am Abhijit and you are watching TechNutso. First up is the Adventure Sport Deployment Clasp. It is built from premium silicone and not the cheap silicone we get in the local market. It feels so smooth and soft to the touch, looks absolutely stunning and rugged, just as per the name Adventure Sport. The matte finish gives a classy look. The black hardware is also much durable and there are no signs of wear and tear. I have been using it for quite some time now. Fits my Apple Watch Ultra 2 and the Series 6 perfectly, no issues. The Adventure Sport Deployment Clasp band is very comfortable on the wrist and the fit is just amazing. My Apple Watch is always on my wrist and I sleep with it too, and I haven't faced any skin irritations with this band. The Adventure Deployment Clasp band is available in as many as 11 colors. You can choose as per your taste. If you work out with your Apple Watch, this one is a must have for you. I highly recommend this one for all. Next up is the Classic Bolt Deployment Clasp band and one of my favorites from the new lineup. It is made up of premium silicone and feels just like it. Feels smooth and soft to touch, and the band has a slim profile. This instantly transforms the Apple Watch from sporty to classy. It genuinely looks like a luxury watch strap. This design grew on me as I started using it more. The magnetic clasp design makes it really easy to wear and remove the watch from the wrist. The magnetic strength is strong and stays put when engaged. It clicks perfectly and gives that premium snap sound. The clasp is made up of high quality material, has a brushed metal finish, and comes with a plastic film installed. The clasp can show slight wear signs only when looked at closely. We can adjust the fit easily by lifting the top part, pushing the clasp up, inserting the pin one or two steps higher, and then fastening the top part the same way we opened it. The band is very comfortable to wear throughout the day and even at night. I didn't face any discomfort nor did it irritate my skin. After extensively using it for weeks, it doesn't show any signs of wear, which makes it worth every penny spent. I love it for the ease of use and the classic look it provides. The Classic Bolt Deployment Clasp band is available in 5 colors to choose from. Next up is the Explorer Series S Hook. This one is definitely one of the most interesting designs. It is made up of woven nylon material, slightly breathable and lightweight. With orange accents, silver hardware and wide stands, it looks rugged and ready for adventure. The build is premium and the fabric is stretchable. It is soft to the touch and comfortable for everyday use. The S-shaped hook is easy to wear and remove while it stays put when fastened. It has 10 size adjustments which make it perfect for everyone. I have used it extensively and there are no wear and tear signs. Kudos to Fridaystyle for providing such a premium quality at such low prices. This Explorer S series band makes the Apple Watch look like a premium outdoor watch. Definitely a must have in your collection. It is available in 11 colors to choose from. If you have watched this video until this point in time, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Next up is the Ocean Band with black hardware. I am always eager to review the new designs Apple launches, especially when they are available on Fridaystyle, and this one was long awaited. I have reviewed the Ocean Band from Fridaystyle before, but I was particularly interested in the black hardware versions to see how they perform over time. The Ocean Band is made up of tough silicone, very comfortable to wear and doesn't irritate the skin. I have used it for almost a month straight away, and the black hardware hasn't discolored even a bit. It is fully intact with no wear signs, and I am not even surprised because I know the quality Fridaystyle provides. The black silicone does attract dust, but cleaning is just as easy. Also, like Apple's, we can adjust the keeper's length. This one looks sick with black or dark colored Apple Watch cases and also could contrast well with the light ones. The black metal hardware gives a stealthy, premium vibe. Definitely a must have and buy from Fridaystyle for the price and the top notch quality. Next up is the Braided Solo Loop. If you have seen my earlier Fridaystyle reviews, you already know how much I like their solo loops. But this one is actually an upgraded version. It's still soft, stretchy and extremely lightweight, providing the same not wearing anything feeling. I still have the old one, and the difference is that the top connector has been upgraded from plastic to metal on the new one. This slight upgrade has made the solo loop premium and durable. It looks better, feels stronger, and overall just levels up the band. If you want a clean, ultra comfortable everyday band, this is the one to get. I highly recommend you check these new launches out from Fridaystyle and order yours from the link in the video description, or at checkout use the code TechNutso for a flat 10% off on the total amount. Also, there's an additional offer currently running. If your cart value is above Rs 12.99, you get a free screen protector for your Apple Watch. And the screen protector is really high quality too. So here I end my video. This was my review of the new Apple Watch bands from Fridaystyle. Drop your queries in the comments below and the relevant ones will be answered. If you have any tech queries, join the Telegram channel TechNutso and DM me. I am happy to help. Link in the video description. So see you guys in the next one. TechNutso signing off.